Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel on this beautiful sunny day in Gwangju, South Korea, where my wife and I are currently visiting friends and family. Had a great jump rope session yesterday, quite intense, and I also went for a little bit of a hike with a friend. So I'm going to begin today's jump rope session with a little easy skipping just to loosen up my body, and I'll do some commentary throughout this jump rope session. I set my timer for just over 11 minutes, so if you want to follow along, I'll walk you through what I'm doing. So I'm just going to begin by loosening up my wrists and my ankles. I actually did this before I left our accommodation, but I'm just going to do it again just before I start. And another motion or movement that I like to do to loosen up the feet and the muscles of the lower legs are going up on the toes and balls of my feet like so, rolling back into the heels, back on the toes and balls of feet. So kind of a rocking motion to flip the feet on the heels, just like so. Fantastic movement for warming up the muscles, the feet, tendons of the lower legs. And the calf raise, back. Okay, another one I like to do sometimes, just tap the balls of the feet, toes against the ground to get those nerves on the bottom of our feet activated. Speaking of feet, today I'm wearing Paluva barefoot minimalist shoes, which I absolutely love for jumping rope. They hit the market there not too long ago. Absolutely loving them. If you're interested in trying them out, there's a discount code down below. Also today I'm using quarter-pound cross rope, and also there's a discount code down below if you're interested in trying cross rope, jump rope, or gear out. So let's get started. Right now I'm doing the basic 2-foot hop. This is one of the first moves that people learn when they begin jumping rope, but it's quite fatiguing for the calf muscles and the muscles of the lower leg, the Achilles tendon as well, the soleus muscles. So if you find the regular 2-foot hop tiring, you're not alone. It does engage the muscles of the lower legs quite a lot, which is why I often recommend people to learn how to do a basic boxer skip, like so. Soon enough after learning how to jump rope, this is where you're shifting your body weight from one leg to another, and I'll link below to some videos which can help you learn this awesome jumper move, the boxer skip. It's a fantastic move to incorporate in between more intense jump rope moves as a type of recovery move. Slow down the intensity, and because you're shifting your body weight from one leg to another, if one leg is feeling especially tired, so let's say for example my left leg is currently tired, for example, I can do several hops with the right leg before going to the left leg, do a couple here, go back to the right leg. So it's a fantastic move for giving one leg a momentary rest. Okay, so back to the boxer skip. This is basic boxer skip. You could also do a side-to-side version, like so. And I'll link to a tutorial video on this down below. Jumping from side to side. Common jump rope move with boxers. Very fun too once you learn how to do it. So from here, I'm going to go back with a regular 2-foot hop. Warming up my body. Even though I did a lot of jump rope yesterday, my legs are a little bit fatigued from hiking as well. After this I plan to do some freestyle skipping, up the intensity with some triple unders and other fun jump rope moves. Back to the basic boxer skip. Shifting my weight from one leg to another, jumping low off the ground. Oh, what a beautiful day. Always nice to get outside. Get outside and exercise. Get some fresh air. Get some some sunshine, some vitamin D if the sun is out. You want to just take a minute just to relax, slow down your breathing, maybe shake out your legs a bit like so, like I'm doing here. And you can always give yourself self-massage. Whack your legs a little bit. If any area is feeling a little bit sore or tight, give yourself a little self-massage. Shake out the legs. Maybe rotate the wrists and ankles again. You could also put your jump rope overhead like so, and then if you have good shoulder mobility, or you can work on this, move the jump rope behind your back like so, and you can even move the jump rope together. Interlock your hands if you can, and pull your shoulder blades together. Even look up at the sky. Great for your posture, good for your neck too. Okay. And now, from the basic 2-foot hop, we can try the skier's mogul jump, which is where you jump from side to side with your 2 feet together. And you can do this in an upright position, relatively upright as I am now, or if you want to engage your thighs a little bit more, you can crouch down as if you're a downhill mogul skier. Move forwards while you do this. Backwards. Great movement for engaging the thighs. So now I've gone back to the 2-foot hop. If we make a mistake, it's all good. Dust off, begin again. Back to the 2-foot hop, and then boxer skip. And from here, I'm going to go into some heel kicks. With this, you can kick your foot out front and actually gently touch your heel to the ground, like so, or you can just kick your heel out into the air without touching the ground. You can do one leg at a time. Or you can even do it in an alternate fashion. Fun move. Back to the 2-foot hop. Okay, just gonna take another short break. Shake out my legs a little bit. Might even give my quads, thighs a little bit of a stretch. Just a short little stretch. Like so. If you want to add an element of difficulty when you're doing a stretch like this, you can close your eyes. But of course, safety. If you're worried about falling, it's good to have an object or something that you could perhaps hold on to. You can see my balance is going there. If your balance starts going, you can open your eyes, regain composure, and then once you feel good, once you've got your composure back, your balance, you can close your eyes again. So fantastic move for not only stretching the thighs, but for working your brain, your coordination. Great for your balance too. Okay. Back to the boxer skip. And now I'm going to go into the jog step where I run in place. And I'll come forward into the shade, back into the sunlight. You do this while you move around in a circle, add an element of complexity. Great backdrop here in the background. That is a famous mountain here in Gwangju in South Korea called Mudong Sun. I've hiked that several times alone with my wife, with friends. Really good time. I used to live in Gwangju, nice city. Okay, just gonna do some side swing jumps now. And I'll provide a link to the particular side swing and footwork that I'm doing at the moment. I'll provide that down below in the description. Make a mistake, it's all good. Dust off, begin again. I'll do it the other way. Jump rope is a great humbling tool. When we're jumping rope, we're bound to make mistakes. Great for humbling us. Once we think we've got a move mastered, there's a very good chance the rope might get caught in our feet or even whack us on the body. So it's a very quick reminder that there's always room for improvement, stuff to be learned, and it reinforces the beginner's mind. We're never good enough. Always learn, always practice. You can always get better, and of course, enjoy the jump rope journey. So here, I'm in the boxer skip again. Now I'm going to go into a different variation of the run in place. I'm going to throw in some additional hops. Watch this.